Oh, look at that, camera's not on. There we go. Is my sound on? Oh, my sound's on today. Music's pretty boring though. So yeah. How are we doing today? How is chat? Is chat feeling alive? Yeah. So next week, I'm probably not gonna do anything, because I have, a workshop. So, and it goes until 3, so I'll be unavailable. I'm not sharing my screen temporarily. The reason being, that's the wrong thing, is I'm trying to remember how I decided I was going to do this, oh, yes, I have examples of how I wanted the JSON to be. How I wanted, the JSON to look for this Twitter stuff, because I'm ready to start developing crap. And unfortunately, you don't need to see my secrets. Oh look, I got a sub! Who subbed? Who subbed? Who subbed? Why did it go on the screen and I didn't notice? Well, thank you for the sub. It didn't even show up in my activity feed. That's sad. Let's make a moment. This is new thing. Don't show preview next time. We're making a moment of the sub. We can only make a moment once every 5 minutes, I guess. I don't know. I don't understand what the heck moments are. Basically, it's like the same thing as clips. It just tags you now. So viewers are now part of clips. It's weird. It's a beta thing, I guess. You feel the moment, Todd? Thank you. As long as Todd feels the moment, then we're good to go. You're too old for what? Too old for Twitch? Or for moments? It was a coworker's birthday today and I made a joke. He said he was turning 40 and I said, so does that mean it's time to retire or go into management? Because in software, I feel like at a certain age, that is what happens. Am I right? You're just... Is that how you feel, Todd? Too old, so you should either be, you should be in management. I guess you are in management, so I'm right. All these new terms and apps and stuff. Well, I don't really understand their need to invent new things. I guess, like, they're trying to make Twitch cool. Oh, that cuts deep. You know it's true, though. I've still got 10 years before I'm forced into management, so, well, 12. I like to round up and pretend I'm 30. But, you know. I only do that to give myself credit with my friends. You know, all my old friends, so. And apparently you're not supposed to own a house till you're 30, so. Just round up and pretend I'm 30. Okay, so hopefully, now we can never go into management. Hi, Paul. Well, I'll never have to go into management if I never get old. So, we can just assume that the pandemic kills everyone and I'll never get there. I didn't say you couldn't code. I just said you were in management. There's a difference between being in management and never coding, right? I didn't say you didn't contribute to the world, Todd. I just said that when you're 40, you either retire or in management. That's my joke. And I think it holds pretty true, I mean, in software. Because it's just like the seniority game, right? At a certain point, there's nobody left senior enough to... Come on. I don't need to explain myself. What I do need is to write some code. So, well, let's just see where I left it off. Old equals management, sad. Paul, you're not old. You're just Paul. There was something I wanted to ask you, Paul, besides the whole ACL thing. Which I now know are called ACLs, as you have, So, oh! It was, build systems. I, noticed Tulum. Yeah. Yeah, invite me on all the things. That, some people have horrible build systems. I'm not gonna name names. You can tell Derek I wore this shirt for him, though, so if he wants to tune in, that'd be great. Why do you like Bazel? Like, what's the benefit of Bazel? Now that I'm at a company that is small and growing, but uses a monolith, I don't know. I don't know. I think we're trying to do the Go build tool as much as possible, but we use a weird thing that our founder wrote for deployments. I don't know. I don't want to assume too much. I don't want to, like, berate them because we're still small, so it's not like whatever. But I feel like it shouldn't be as hard as it is to deploy things and build things and compile them for Linux on my Mac machine. Like that shouldn't be as hard as it is. Right? And does Basil solve that? Paul, what is your sage advice? Right, because you're not old, but you're just sage. What is your sage advice for this? Oh. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to see if it built. It does build. Make files. We do have a make file somewhere. We don't use a lot of make files. But I did discover one for the Hugo site today, because I added today my contributions to society. We're adding social share buttons to our blog, and I did that on the Hugo site, and I had to use a make file, and I added HTML and partial files to Hugo. So I felt like it's not real front-end work, but I did contribute to a website, which is considering I haven't touched my personal website in like 3 years. You know, that's a pretty big deal. No, I need to export. Oh, what was it called? I forgot what it was called. What I want to do, I don't know what I'm doing. If you aren't writing C and C++, don't use make files of any kind. But Paul just told me to. And if Paul, I do, I'm supposed to do what Paul says. Not really. I don't know if I've ever done what Paul says. Maybe that's my problem, is I haven't done enough of what Paul says. It's called credential file? Okay. Export credential file. We're calling this dev config.json. But listen to Paul, he isn't in management. Oh! Ouch. He isn't in management over me, that's for sure, but nobody's, I mean, there's not a lot of managers at Tailscale, so I can pretty much do whatever I want. Well, I can pretty much do whatever I want anywhere. And I don't do whatever I want. I very much try to contribute to the ecosystem as a whole, but, you know. Oh, now I can add that. We just needed... Okay. And I need to... Hey, Paul, if you haven't met Todd before... Todd, thanks for the help with the blog post. I want you to know that I cleaned it up and posted it on, you know, the interwebs, on not my blog, not my personal website, but on Medium, because I refuse to post blogs on my personal website. I feel like websites that Medium is better for me because I can use Grammarly and spell check. I have missed all of the meetups this month too. It's like they've all been canceled. Or something. I mean, I have literally... Canceling all of them intentionally, that's what I do. But, this isn't gonna work now. Set up command line flag for a JSON file. Oh, you're right. That's what I was gonna do. That's what I was gonna do. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, Paul's a sad robot because he didn't have a meetup. So, I was thinking though, Paul made a comment last year at Go West. Now, I've been thinking a lot about my conference. Paul made it, maybe it was interesting. I don't think we have a good use case for Bazel. I'm not trying to say my company should use Bazel. I'm just interested in I'm just interested in the Bazel build system, I guess, and we do have a lot of ex-Googlers, so you know, familiar. Anyway, so I've been thinking about my conference. I mean, something Paul said. So Paul talked about having moderated, like panels or something like that. And we have some spots for panels. See, for September. I don't get that. Maybe somebody else will, but... Oh, Todd subscribed. Thank you, Todd, for the subscription. Todd made my day. What was I gonna say? Yeah! What would be interesting topics to have as a moderated panel at a Go conference? At my Go conference, not a Go conference, at the... Interested to hear their opinions on Blaze? Yes. But I don't know if that if hearing somebody's opinions on Blaze would be appropriate at my Go conference. I think it'd be great to... Cockroach DB is C. Cockroach DB at the Kubernetes meetup in September. That's going to be nice. So now I need to take client. Setup. Go. Set up Twitter's JSON file name. Let's print line. Well, we'll print F. And we'll print... Yeah, I know. But I would have to... I don't know if the ex-Googlers, how much they want to talk about... I mean, I can get them... I'm sure Todd knows them. Todd can get them in contact with you. But yes, it would be interesting to have them talk with a Bazel fan and see how much they like it. They have made deliberate choices to stay away from a lot of Google things, though. Like, no Kubernetes... is one. Even though they want to do some secret, anyway, they want to use Kubernetes as part of the product, but we don't use it as part of our infrastructure. And a couple other things that are definitely like, we don't want to do that because of our experiences at Google. I don't know all of them. I've also never worked for Google. First Twitter account. Blasphemy. Not using Kubernetes is blasphemy? I mean, I don't know how to do anything not on Kubernetes anymore. So there's that. I mean, there's a whole lot of people that don't use Kubernetes. I just don't know any of them, so whatever. One day we do a lot of Terraform onto EC2 VMs. That's all I know. That we use Terraform and EC2. I don't touch our infrastructure. I barely touch code. Well. This is an interesting take on Mario. It's a Twitter client. No, we don't need a Twitter client. Hey, Fabio! How are you doing? Kubernetes is just a set. Todd, weren't you the person other day that literally said, I have no interest on not deploying anything outside of Kubernetes? Fabio says hi from Barcelona. Ryan, I can see you not using Kubernetes. I'm not surprised. You would just as soon build your own solution. You know. I don't want to do that. This is just for printing. So I can remove the whole thing. I'm not going to actually range over this repeatedly because that'd be stupid. That didn't actually do anything. Somebody asked a question at work the other day. What do Kubernetes people do for SSH? The general answer was kube control exec. My question was, why use SSH? Because clearly I have no infrastructure experience. No infrastructure experience. Does this give me... What does this give me? When you range over... Like, I don't want to... That's... No, I'm gonna do this. Don't tell me it's ambiguous. It's what I want. Again, I'm gonna delete it, so who cares? It's not supposed to be there for a long time. But that should be running new clients. When we go to new client, that does no longer need any of this garbage. And that should work. Yeah, I wanted to range over the index. Thank you, Ryan. I thought that's what it was telling me, but I really wanted to be explicit. No, it's supposed to be key value. I want the key, not the value. For a map, right? It's not an index. It's not a slice. It's a map. That's what I wanted to say. What? Use SSH when you have to manage Kafka. Oh, that's true. I have only ever used SSH. That's a lie. I've used SSH a lot. I've only ever accessed Kafka via SSH. No, it's a map. I just called it name, yeah. It's key value. I apologize. Yeah, that's because I didn't source anything. Okay, so that did work. Okay, I'm gonna go... No, client setup. I'm gonna remove that code now. Because I don't need it anymore. Again, this was just for my sanity. I don't actually want that anywhere. But what I do want... main.go is... So that's working, database connect. In this schedule video tweet. That's not gonna do anything. I want to make the timer variable and event-driven architecture scares you? I don't know why. Event-driven architectures... Well, what would you rather deal with? Event-driven architecture or distributed systems? You like my chroma key? My green screen? It's every... You can see it around my hair, unfortunately. But it works different, pretty nicely other than that. I've got a lot of work to do now. So, when we create this timer, we have a new ticker, monolith. Yeah, but monolith doesn't mean you're only just deploying one service. You can deploy many services from a monolith. It does tend to mean that you consolidate better. I don't want to take an environment variable for that, but I need to somehow make the ticker What about when you need geo-replication or you have latency issues for a global ecosystem, Ryan? That's where we're at. We have geo-replication, and we need to be able to relay network traffic globally. Beehive VC thingy, are you trying to raise money? Have fun. Thanks for the sub. Bye, Todd. Send your son over to hang out. Then he can subscribe too. He always has interesting things to say. Not as much sarcasm though, so we'll miss your sarcasm, Todd. What we need to do is... No, I don't need a consistent variable start time. I guess they can always post once a week. I just don't want... I guess it doesn't really matter that much. At all. But I may want bi-weekly posting on one, and yeah, start time doesn't matter. Don't even worry about that. Don't even worry about my needs. But we do need to be able to do set interval. Right? Like, interval should be an argument here, right? Oh, consistent replication for your sharding, yes. And I'm not talking about necessarily, well, I guess database sharding is part of it, but we do actually have latency requirements that require us to host services in multiple locations. And yes, we would not, yes, consistent replication and sharding. All of the above. I need to... I need to dump a bunch of data into a client. What the heck is a raft? You're educating me on things I didn't know about, and I didn't need to know I knew. Didn't need to know? Did I know? Knew? What? Okay. A contingency algorithm. Okay, so now I guess you're right. The database will still take care of most of it though, right? Now this is going to need to be more complicated again. We're going to also need the AB count name, right? And I'm gonna have to refactor this for sure. Oh, cockroach needs 3 instances? I didn't know that. I used the cockroach DB serverless for this, which only requires no instances. It just requires a login and a certificate. That's all I have. Hey, Warp Tux, how you doing? Did you see that the Go West tickets are on sale? You were asking about that once, weren't you? Paul's heard of Raft. If Paul's heard of it, then it's a real thing. Because Paul knows everything. If you know everything, you know nothing, which makes you just Paul. I think it's a pretty consistent logic here, Paul. Oh, this is actually gonna be good. So for Forge Utah, we're gonna wanna, this is fun. etcd uses it? I thought etcd was overcomplicated. Playlist. What are my... I haven't uploaded any of them. It only costs 600 points to make me use VS Code? Yeah. I don't know how much torture it'd be, because right now my, oh yeah, I don't know how to navigate using VS Code anymore, like, because I use the Go Vim tool so much for navigation. So much. See, I don't have anything, so I don't even know what I want that to look like. That means I can choose whatever I want. Case. Oh, and then I need case. Utah, go. I don't know all the playlists I have. Why do I need to upgrade my Go Vim plugin? I probably do. Well, I mean, I've been... What'd I break? Oh. I broke a lot of things. We'd never overlap. Sunday? Okay, I'll have to keep an eye out. Said update Vim. It says my Vim goes okay. I don't know. Maybe I don't have that configured right. Oh, this is supposed to be switch, not select. Hello? Who's not catching this stuff? It's 3:30 p.m. Let's go grab a glass of water. I have a big old thing of water. I didn't know they maintained a separate plugin. I just migrated what I already had. Is it as well maintained as Vimgo? Because, like, Vimgo's pretty awesome. Or is it just a port? Is it just a port? We might just do this and just return and just have it like set variables. Oh, it's complete rewrites, not a port. Interesting. We'll have to check it out one day. Oh, you have your own fork of it? What'd you implement? Who knows? Okay. Interesting setup. And then we'll go like that, and we'll insert. I'll have a bar right here. Bar hashtags. Oh. So it's just a little bit more customized. Oh yeah. And then this would be the actual video URL. What? Oh! I don't have Golang, so you can't make me switch to Golang. Ha 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 ha. Tricks on you. Oh, whatever. Do I need a coupon for it? We're literally talking about that today, Paul. He would make me switch to Golang. Yeah, I mean, that would be actually really funny to have it set up for when I stream so that you can actually choose the IDE you make me switch to, and then I'd have a switch to VS Code, switch to Golang. Oh, I'd have to stream how to set that up. Did you check out video? Video. Yeah, Paul, he needs one. We were actually talking today, because what's their face? JetBrains about sponsoring Go West, and their sponsorship would include, you know, some coupons that nobody wanted last year. It's like, we have these coupons, nobody wants them. Mord, thank you for resubscribing. I see that you've done that, and it warms my soul completely. That you have that much love for me, your conference co-organizer. Paul, he misses working with you. And he also misses attending meetups with you because he always misses the Kubernetes meetups. But you can blame his child for that. I don't know how to check errors. I thought this was supposed to check that already. What am I doing wrong? I have to go. I haven't. Dot equals. Oh, I don't use it there. Okay. Then we'll just... Well, give me a second. I haven't gotten that far yet. Yeah, there's not much you can redeem your channel points on. Newman always tells me to just, hydrate. Like, that's pretty much, I don't know, all of the suggestions are for video games, and it's like, what can I do live in a, you know, I don't know what I can do when I'm streaming, like, this stuff. Changing IDEs? Well, as soon as I get that coupon, we'll have to add Golang on it so I can change to Golang for you. Because that's clearly all you ever wanted for Christmas. Kubernetes. They all have Vim mode. It's because, I mean, even people that use Vim Max use evil mode. Like, let's be real. Vim is the best, and everybody uses Vim, and they just lie to themselves. And they could just get over themselves and use regular Vim. I don't know what other hashtags to do for Go. MLOps, AI, data, ML. Right? So now, that might work. I doubt we have a... Do we already have a test for this? Go test won't work, because that's not a plugin. Tandy, Paul's sending you one. How's that? Is that what you've always wanted? Was Paul to send you a Golang renewal? Weed used to pay for it, but you don't work at Weed, so I don't think Nozzle will pay for it. What about your Nozzle shares? Will those pay for it? I hear you went to Nozzle because of ample shares they were willing to give you. Or something like that. Paul, you need to tell Tandy that you want him to be in... no. Tandy wants to know if anybody's interested in lightning talks. That's the truth. We didn't pay either? We should have paid. They paid for everybody else's. Whatever. You know, I don't have that problem. Did you ever figure out if Russia got your hacked your data from your Golang, or is your information safe? Isn't what? I thought I had already updated that. Also, did you notice that Copilot... I'm not gonna pay for you? Why doesn't it think that my contributions to open source are good enough? Because I don't contribute very much to open source? I pretty much don't code outside of work, so there's that. Oh yay, now I have updated version of Go. GitHub's monthly enterprise account, or the JetBrains monthly enterprise account? Because I think you definitely, being such a Golang fan, would want the enterprise account. Isn't there like a struct fill something that you can do with one of these? Oh no, that's adds tags to a JSON field. I thought that they'd figured out how to... No, I don't want to generate interface stubs. I don't want to lint the workspace. I thought they'd figured out how to fill struct, yeah. Yeah, that's what I wanted, because that's what Golang does. Right? See, I told you that you were going to say Golang does. Well, I knew that VS Code added it because somebody was bragging about how nice it was, and I'm like, Golang already did that. Like, if I wanted that done, I would have had Golang. I just usually copy and paste. You know, copy and pasting is the best. Oh, my Snapchat is updating. Did you know I had a Snapchat that needed to be updated? I didn't. Okay. Well... I think Option Z wraps for you. Okay. Username. Let's use one we already have. Ugh. Now I'm gonna have to delete that. Split this sucker. There we go. I think that's what that was supposed to do. What does this do? Whoa! I already have this built into my thing. I don't want it in just be... What the heck is Zen mode? What is Zen mode? We just activated Zen mode. Okay. Wait. I still wanted this wrapped, yeah. Okay, we're gonna use Carson's because we can. And it's like always the top one. So username is the Twitter user, which is GoWestConf. Title is all types of Golang types. URL is this. Playlist is Go Wet Conference. This is 2020. Hey, buddy. And presenter Twitter is at Carson Ops. That can be null. We'll just say that's null. That way it doesn't break. And we want, I believe hashtag year is 2020. Right? Wasn't there like, didn't I have another thing open? How did I get out of Zen mode? What did I do? Cancel. That's what I want. Go West 2020. Wait. Now go back. I don't know what I did. Get me out of Zen mode. Does anybody know how to exit Zen mode? Thank you, Sage Chaozu. Wait, would it be... Command K. Z. That did not working. Was it on a Mac? Is it option? No, undo that. And this is still hashtag GoWest. Get out of Zen mode. There we go. Found it. Yeah, I'm on a Mac. It looks like I need to update. And if it wasn't for Mord Fusting, Command Shift P Zen mode makes sense. It's all Mord Fusting's fault. I'm supposed to be using Vim. Did he leave? If he's not here, I'm switching back to Vim. And then I just need to change all of this. So hashtag year is Go West 2020. Oh. No, if you're still here, then I'm accountable to stay in VS Code as it is what you asked of me. This should fail, by the way. assuming you join. You don't always join my streams. Okay, cool. Now it should pass. No, it still failed? Would miss. It doesn't say video drop from anymore. Oh, it does. Video drop. Oh, did I put the wrong? I did. That was right. Run test. Oh, no, pass. There we go. Forge, Utah. I can use everything else the same, except for the playlist. Let's just make this Utah Golang. I think that's what we're calling it. What the heck is... Why is it on diff mode? I don't want you on diff mode. I don't know how to use VS Code. Moral of the story. And I keep hitting my mouse. I'm not used to touching my mouse this much. That's why my mouse is never on screen. Just the presenter. Carson. It's supposed to. They're like Sage Chaozu. These are supposed to be like inspired by video games or something. What were our hashtags? Something like that. What? Okay, so it didn't add the hashtags correctly. Oh. Well then yeah, if it's from the movie and Mortal Kombat's a game. Pretzel puts all the songs in the chat, so it inflates my chat numbers while sharing the world video game inspired license free music. And our bot's still working, it just tweeted. So. Bot's still live on DigitalOcean, so. Playlist is Utah Go, not Utah Golang. And there's a weird space issue, I think. Oh, it's a new line? Okay, that's even better. That means there won't be a weird space issue. Cool. So that's fixed. So now schedule video can do this, and it can just give it the Autobot account name. No, tweet video. Oh, I don't need that, sorry. It's not gonna do anything though, because I don't have any stuff in the database yet. So what I need to do, I need to make a CSV. Oh, F. Did you guys see that? Undo that. Delete that. Don't see that. This is why I don't like VS Code, because you can touch things you're not supposed to touch. Well, I have to clean up my video before I post it on YouTube. See? That's not good. That's not good at all. Creating a moment of us sharing garbage. I'd like delete that right now. So now nobody can watch past broadcasts of that until I edit it out. So everybody that's live, you promise you won't share any of that stuff? All 6 of you? No, I don't. Right? It says I'm still live. Who's here? Post in chat if you're still here. Because I just removed all of that from the internet. Because I don't want anyone hacking my Twitters. And now we're switching back to them. Sorry, Mord. That's all your fault. It's all your fault. Okay, so we need to make a CSV. Thank you, Sage, for hanging out with us, even though I undid things. And clearly, I should not put secrets right there in the main thing if I'm going to use any kind of IDE that has a clicky menu. So yeah, Joseph, I just shared all of my Twitter credentials for multiple Twitter accounts. And my Discord credentials, and basically all of the yes. So hopefully, no, that was quick enough. Nobody copied them, and hopefully the removal worked. I can edit them from the recording, but I had to make them private on Twitch so that people didn't rewatch them. And hopefully that worked. Hopefully that just saved us a little bit of hackerage. I mean, don't hack my Twitter. I mean, and this is why I don't keep corporate information on my stream computer. This is exactly why. DB. We're gonna call this forge yt.csv. We need to have all of the same things we have in our JSON, right? So those are called actually this should be enough. Do you have to put a comma at the end of a CSV? Is this what makes it valid? CSV formatting? I don't yeah, none at the end. Cool. Let's go to YouTube. Oh, you don't want to know. Let's not go to YouTube there. Let's find a nice curated YouTube that's not going to show weird things. You know. Content, playlists. Cool. So these don't all have Twitter usernames, but we'll start. We'll start with the Kubernetes Utah meetup. No, I just want to look at this thing. Well, I guess watching it on YouTube is just fine. Like, we have to at some point, right? Oh, I just don't know who speaks, because, oh, it says they're right on the front, huh? On most of these. No, I don't want to do that. Stop. If I scroll down, is there a share? Okay. So this is username. Does Travis have a username on Twitter? No, not him. Yeah, Trav Jepson. I guess he went to KubeCon EU forever ago. And then the video title is... Go down here. No, not that. Oh my goodness. Just this. The playlist is called Kubernetes Utah Meetup. What did we decide to call that playlist? Kubernetes Utah? And then video URL. I'm gonna leave conference here. We're gonna keep that as a field, but just put a blank string. Oh, and then this is the part where you put the Travis Jepson. The Twitter username was Forge Utah. Right, this is the fun part of the video. This is the data entry part. I only need to, I think I'm only gonna do like 2 or 3 rows to begin with. I can always upsert, like I can always delete them, right? Like, nobody wants to sit here and who spoke on Kubernetes? This is not his 3-hour Kubernetes operator talk, I don't think. Forge, Utah. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna put the 2 in there for now. That way nobody has to watch me do data entry, because, you know, that's like the bee's knees. Share. And this is at Carson Ops. Okay. So I should be able to, and let's just PG SQL upload CSV CSM. No, like I want to do it through Postgres admin or whatever. So I want to insert yes. I want to insert CSV data. Yeah, but does copy... Yeah, copy says it's doing it from standard in to standard out, but... Yeah, see, that looks... Yeah, it's gonna be just way easier for me at this point to just do it with a little script as opposed to, since I already have the stuff. Dev, scheduler run dbsh. We're gonna make a directory, dev, we're gonna call it migrations. Okay, and then dev migrations.go. And then here I can go from my watch. And instead of running db migrate, I can just do insert database, and that should work just fine. So db dot no. This should be from my local one. There we go. Yeah, I know, because when I was using VS Code Mord Fustang, I shared all of the secrets, the access token and secrets and all that for all of my Twitters. Because you can just click on it. I can't just click on things in Vim. It's much more secure. So clearly, if we're going to continue with this magic stuff, I need to move my secrets so they're just not sitting in the root directory. Pebcac error. I don't know what that's supposed to stand for, but it seems like a person. It's a soy Pete error. Mariah made a boo boo. I just need to. Problem exists between keyboard and chair? 100% accurate description of the situation. This is Postgres. What is it called? YT_videos? Something like that? Yeah, cool. Oh, this is straight up from the other one. It's insert, then the names, then you put values, right? What's the... Oh, it's been a while since I've written sequels. Sequel, insert. That's not how you spell insert. It's insert into... Oh, I did it right, and then values. I remember my sequels. Then you go $1, $2, $3. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 6. $4, $5, $6. Query, and then you go data 0, data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4, data 5, right? And that should be all of them. And then you go work. And then you say, insert done. Range data. Right? What else am I missing? That's on main. Woo. Oh, that should be D, not data. This is kind of banger music. Right? Doesn't this kind of like make you really excited? Wanna... Make you wanna bang your head? Should we see if the new taco place is on DoorDash? Got it. Don't use my dress. Ship it to my parents' house? Because I have to feed them every once in a while. If not, I'll just have to go pick it up. Oh, Jurassic Tacos is open. Let's share this with my parents. Oh, we got a raid! Coding Garden! My goodness, just as I'm ordering dinner, you sent me a raid. Thank you for that. Coding Garden raid! Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are just writing a little script as I am trying to order dinner. We are writing a script. Tacos in a raid. I am ordering tacos, yes. From this restaurant called Jurassic Tacos. And, ooh. Should I get a T-Rex taco, a street taco, and a side of chips and a drink? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I'm ordering tacos. So what one should I get? Okay, let's do a poll. You can choose my dinner for me while we're here. Right? That's how this works? New poll. What should I get for dinner? Should I get the T-Rex taco? Jurassic taco? Or raptor taco? What is a raid? A raid is when a fellow Twitcher sends all of their viewers your way. Okay, we got 10 minutes for you to determine what I'm going to eat for dinner. So, tell me what taco to get. Oh my goodness. What comes on a T-Rex taco? I don't know. I have no clue what comes on a T-Rex taco. I don't know what's on them, I just know what they're called. I assume meat. That or it's possibly the way it's prepared, because I think it's the way it's prepared, because I can then choose al pastor, chorizo, carne asada, or pollo asada. So, you know, whatever. I think you have to choose one, and then we can do the meat after. We've got a bunch of follows from this raid. Thank you, Code and Garden, for the raid again, so that we can... we've got... Have a good night, Code and Garden. Enjoy your food. Thank you, Sarah Davos, Filu, She the Boss, Marshall Mark, and Caligula. Isn't Caligula like a Greek person? No, Roman. For those follows, please help me choose what to get for dinner. Right now it looks like Jurassic Taco is winning, but we still got plenty of time to run this. So should we see if this builds? Build success, go. Can I just, like, if I do go run, does it just run this? Migration failed. Caligula! Code and Garden is a beast of a streamer. He's quite prolific. Way more prolific than I do not stream as often. And I definitely do a different set of things. I might need to do a go run dev migrations.go. That might work for the database stuff. No such file. I do need to change that. I don't think my hiring link works anymore, so I apologize for anyone that's like, oh, but I'm looking for jobs. My hiring link does not work, and I apologize for that. This would be, it's not called data.csv, it's dev, no, it's database, YouTube vids, YT videos, CSV, right? Forge YT, that's what it's called. That's the Forge YouTube videos. Forge YT. Connecting the database. Parse online 2. Oh. What? That's because this needs to be escaped, right? No, that quote, we'll just remove the comma. We don't need the comma. There is a way to escape commas in a CSV. Most common way, though, I believe, is just to change the delimiter. I think that is the most common. I think we're halfway done with our taco boat. so. What? Didn't I save that? Is there another bear? Oh, these both need to have parentheses on them because they're both strings. And then all the other ones, right, are correctly, line 2, column 14. What am I missing? What am I missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh. Line 2. This is line 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What? Oh, I think it's doesn't like my spaces. I think that's the problem. And traditionally, CSVs don't have spaces in them, so I don't know why I thought it would be a good idea to have space. Does line count start at 0? You're probably right, Gary Knox. But that fixed most of them. Now we've got to go to line 123. That's not gonna work. I'm not counting to 123 though. Wait. Oh, it's definitely was the spacing. Oh, Warp Tux found it. Yeah, there's my missed space. There we go. Now it should work. So now, all of that, since none of you know what we're doing, all of that was to make this little app now work for 2. We've added it to Twitter accounts. So I did not have any data in the database for our second Twitter account, the Forge Utah Twitter account, but now I've added it. So now, if I run this, actually, let's do something else. We're gonna comment this out because we don't need to test that. It works. Like, that's live and running right now in DigitalOcean, so we don't need that to work. But when we create right here, so this right here is on a 24-hour, once a week thing. Let's make this a 5 minutes. Minute times 5. It should post automatically, but just in case, no, it should fix that now. Connected data, ping database table is not empty, bot is running, flash command set up. So now if we go over here and we go to the tweeters, and who cares which one I'm logged in on? We're logged in on mine. Let's go to my profile, the Forge Utah account. Thank you, Skittles! 4-5 for that follow. Okay, so this is pinned. We're gonna kill that pin. Unpin that. And this should send a video. Like, that's what we're looking for right now, is to send a video on this account. I can also test it's connected, obviously, since, we can test that a different way. So I have Discord commands set up that I don't use. But if we go over here to Forge, we go to bot test, and we test. Oh no, it's a tweet. Tweet, and then we do Forge, Foundation, Twitter bot? "123i" or 123 exclamation point? What does that command say? I can't quite read it. I'm sure I could copy it. Application didn't respond. It should be running though. I may have removed the Discord bot. I don't quite know. If the application didn't respond, that means it A, couldn't connect, or B, couldn't post. And so either way, it's an L. Okay. 123L would move it. Oh, because you're saying to repeat the L command 123 times. That 100% should work. You're right. That's just standard BIM. Creating new Autobot, listening to default ports, now running. Yes. What if we... I don't know if it's been 5 minutes. It's only been... Well, should I kill it and make it be 1 minute so we don't have to wait as long? Oh! The taco results are in. Let's, looks like I'm getting a Jurassic taco for dinner. Okay, we're getting a Jurassic taco. We're gonna do one more, and this is gonna be choice of meat. Right? Taco meat. Choice. And we have al pastor, chorizo, carne asada, or pollo asada. Go! Gary Rocks. I was saying Gary Knox, but it's Gary... No, it's Nary Rocks. Somebody should learn how to read Nary Rocks. Good news! My watch bands have shipped. Has it hit 5 minutes? No, it hasn't. Gnarly. So gnarly rocks. Gotcha. I get you. Going up and down and sideways and backwards. I broke my Control-C. I had that fixed. I did have that fixed. I don't know how I broke it, but it was fixed once upon a time. And because this just ran, so essentially yeah, this shutdown right here, all it does is listen. Well, that's not true. This right here, this client shutdown, all it does is listen, right, for the Control-C. And if it's called, oh, no, that doesn't work. Where'd it go? If No, they should be listening. What happened? Oh, the Discord bot has it in there. That's the problem. Anyway, the Discord bot wasn't working. But there is a channel called Client Shutdown that should always be running when we set up the client. Right? And basically it just always listens. But obviously I broke it again. And I have to fix it for it to even work, so... But essentially, you can do this. You can do if, and just at the very end, client dot shutdown gets written to. This should work. This would shut down. This used to do it, so I don't know what I did. Oh no. Is it this? No. There's a way to listen to it. I'm not listening to the channel, that's the problem. I know I can do this. And basically it would just hang there until you get client shutdown. Not if. Yeah, and then it would just do all of this. Yeah, it's a receive. Select receive. The time is 4:45 p.m., says Google. I have rewritten this specific statement probably 9 or 10 times because I keep breaking it. Okay, yeah. So if this receives, right here, run all this, is essentially what it does. Oh, but I don't need the select. I can just do this. And essentially this will hold until that happens. And then I can, what I want to do is I want to send to the context.done. I don't want to send that. Well, I can just say context.done because that's a function. Yeah, that's what I want. Should we... What does it think I changed? have to source my secrets that I shared with the world earlier when it was only 5 people watching the stream, not 65. Oh, I was supposed to... Told you I fixed it. I was supposed to change the Autobot tweet time. Internal bot guts, YouTube videos. The scheduled tweet was... We're gonna send that for 1 minute. Vim also is having issues with Python, just so you know. Purge the tapes. I did! I had to block, I had to, yeah, go remove my VOD. Cause that's no bueno. Okay, so this was at 4:48. Let's wait till 4:50 and see if we get a tweet follow. No, I tried to act really fast so that nobody could go rewatch on the existing VOD, and then I'll edit it when I post it to YouTube. Because yeah, we don't want anyone hacking my Twitter account. Or, it wasn't just one Twitter account. It was multiple Twitter accounts and database accounts and Discord. Lots of credentials that we just shared with the world. That's because I accidentally clicked them on the VS Code. Okay, this was still my retweet. There we go. No videos found. Uh-oh. Okay, we got an answer. So, everybody chose pollo asada. I usually don't get chicken, guys. And yes, Nari, that is exactly why I do not have any company information on this computer. There they go. What do you mean payment method isn't eligible for... There we go. Payment method is totally acceptable. Let's see what DoorDash forgets this time. Okay, so why was no video found? I bet my database is using the wrong name. So let's go to botguts. Not DB, so we'll go internal botguts. YouTube vids. Nope, that's not a thing. YouTubevids.go. So in our select videos statement, not in make tweet, we tested that. Select one random video. It should be using the account name. Selects where Twitter username equals and Twitter username is called Forge Utah, not Forge Utah Bot. Now let's try. I could have, and probably should have, gone ahead and printed out that query though. But this is fine. Right? It only takes a minute. So, how you doing today, chat, on this Friday afternoon? You learning? Do you watch a lot of Go content? What do you usually watch on Twitch? You watch a lot of Go software? You watch a lot of videos? You watch a lot of game development? Do you watch a lot of Go? Where are you tuning in from? What's your deal? I don't know you guys. You're all new to me. Introduce yourselves. Where are you tuning in from? We had some people from, I know Joseph is in the UK. We had some people from Barcelona. I'm in Utah, in the United States. It is 4:53 p.m. for me. I work at No Videos Found. I work at Tailscale, which is a VPN. Oh, look at that. But why does it just say no videos found? Why doesn't it print out that error for me? Oh, No Go? Nary, you're missing out. Go is the best thing since sliced bread. I know Joseph was in the UK. We talked about that. Well, part of Cali. 90% of my co-workers live in the Bay Area, but there's only 40 of us, so it's like, woo! So we didn't get an error, but basically it's blank. Codes of all kinds. Winston McDermott. Hello, Winston. Colorado? Colorado's a great place. Beautiful place. Lulu, did you want to come say hi? My dogs are making their presence felt. They say, it's 5 o'clock, are you done? Like, end of day, Mom. End of day. Not until we get this thing tweeting, Lulu. Not until we get this thing tweeting. So it's just nil. Well, then let's do, so if we do dev run db, no, run db dev, it is dot dev, oh no. It's, oh my gosh, dev. Run DB, that's what I want. Oh. That's not gonna work because I never schmodded that. Isn't that the right one? Anyway. Where Twitter account equals Forge Utah, right? It's not called Twitter account? Well, then we'll do select all from YT videos. Yeah, it's right there at the bottom. Forge Utah. You see that? But what's that called? You like my music, Moonchild? Yes, thank you. This is the Chiptune playlist on Pretzel. They are retro video game tunes. Twitter underscore username. Okay, so that should return 2 of them. Was it /Q? Was that how we get out of this? Okay. I should actually open the right one instead of doing GoDef every time. Twitter username, order by random. Account name, well let's just, since we're just testing it, let's go Forge Utah, right? Not even use the account name. And that should work this time. I am really enjoying this playlist though. I think it's one of the better playlists. I usually listen to lo-fi or EDM, but this one's quite thrilling. Quite thrilling. And it's good coding music. Keeps you pumped up, nice and happy, doesn't distract you too much. I usually listen to Latin music when I'm coding. That really pumps you up. Like it's a pump you up kind of music, which is what I live for. But I'll take this. This is a great one. This is a wonderful, fantabulous, fantastic, tabulous kind of music. What? Got 1 parameters, but the statement required 0 parameters. That's me. Need to go to the right one. We'll go back here. $1, Postgres. If it was MySQL, it wouldn't be $1. We already do that. I know. And then we'll get rid of the parameter. How's that? Forge Utah. Nope. Forge Utah. And we'll go run that. Obviously, I misspelled something somewhere. That's 90% of the time my problem. Spelling is hard. And English is worse. Spelling in English is the worst. I'd rather spell in a different language. Well, you know, whatever. What else, chat? How many of you are... Are you learning, like, are you watching this because you already do software or because you're learning code? Like, what drives you to watch software on Twitch? Is it to support creators? Like, is it because you love me and you love my gopher shirt? Because I love my gopher shirt. Is it because you think Coding Garden is amazing? I'm super pumped that I got a Coding Garden. No video found. So there's something else going on. Probably with my, see, we gotta do that query. That query needs to be, let's pull that query out. It will look different if I read it. And we'll do this too. Set no number. Now I can do this. Go is very readable. The good news with Go is if you can read my Go and kind of follow along as opposed to like some of the other things. That worked. That worked. There's something else going on here. Because straight up, the query I'm running works. We do. Yeah, this is the basic Robbie Russell from OMZHS, so basic Robbie Russell. I have on my work computer, I do have a different theme, but you can't go wrong with the basic Robbie Russell. I know why. I know why. Because I changed the default to the uploaded videos to be now. So it thinks it can't upload them because they haven't been sent within the last 2 months. Can't go wrong. Okay, so let's go. We're gonna just, okay. Go back to, we'll kill this. Context query. Add account name. And then this will go back to $1. What I need to do is I need to update the value of the send by to be like 6 months ago. Right? So what's the syntax for an update? Okay, update cable name set column. That's easy. Update YT underscore videos. Alright, it was just, and then it was just set. Okay. Set, and it's called last sent at equals, what's the post, well, I can just look at that, huh? So we'll go 2021, right? Let's just make it a year ago, right? That'll, 29, space, oh, and I need to do this, pretty sure. 0, 0, 4, 3. 9053 90503 where Twitter username equals Forge Utah. Last set at does not exist, no, but last sent at does. Okay. Now it should work. Go, run, main.go. Just so you know, not only do I program in Go and work in Go, I also run a Go conference, called Go West. Takes place in Utah. Everybody is welcome. It's the best conference, in the entire world. Just thought you'd all want to know. This conference. Great for learning about Go. I also run meetups and stuff, but who cares about the meetups when you can have a conference? I'm just, checking the tweets. Checking the tweetserts. I work and Go. That is definitely true, Sage Chows. I work in Go. I code in Go. Uh-oh. Nail pointer to reference. What's the nail pointer to reference? What? Did something not get... You were in Utah? Where in Utah? Go West Conf. Where in Utah? In Lehi, Utah? Go West Conf. So that's just about half an hour south Salt Lake City. We're holding it in Lehi because the building is free. And free means more money for me. I'm just kidding. I actually don't take any money off the top of out of the conference. But all of my charitable works for free. And what we should also print is the AB bot account name and the AB.Twitter client. Because either of those could be a dereference. Just debugging now. With all of my longest means. Oh, this is a banger too. Otis by Chip Zell. It's a banger. Should like that track. What the heck? It'll work this time. I know it'll work this time. Look! We have everything set up right at the even... Isn't that amazing? Oh, it broke again! I just made a moment. So, did you miss a meetup? Carson from the last meetups. Oh, the Kubernetes Utah meetup. Yeah, we don't have a conference, so I need to change that. There's something different from this one and the other one. Uh-oh. No, I need to change the... Well, that should fix that. Now I need to fix my tests. Oh, no I don't, because it's Utah Golang. Sweet. Oh, well yeah I do, because it doesn't say meetup anymore. Okay. No right? What do you mean no right? So let's go tabmain.go. This will be fine. It'll be fine. We can just run a bunch of them next to each other, and we're gonna see what's the difference between the two, and hopefully we'll crash it a little bit. Maybe they both don't work because I implemented the pull from credentials wrong. Maybe that's the difference, is I'm not pulling the correct information from the credential script. Because the old one's not using a credential script. The one that worked doesn't use a credential script, it uses environment variables, and I changed it to use a credentials, not script, but file. A credentials text file. So... either or, and 7, we should see something different this time, and make a decent progress, right? And that's all that really matters, is making a decent progress. So let's see what, tweeting YouTube video. It didn't tweet the other one. It didn't, I mean, at least it didn't run this. Oh, that needs to have a space in it. Did it tweet it? No, it didn't tweet that. It crashed before it tweeted it. What if we just did Go West and we didn't do the other one? Winston, thank you for following. Have a good time. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it, and thank you for that follow. Have a good night. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. We're gonna be successful this time. I really like this Chipsel band. They're pretty awesome. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work, but this is my last run for today. So after this, we will throw in a raid and go out there. But thank you guys for following. I hope you... It's still a no pointer to reference, so my whole thing's broken, and it's definitely got to be a problem with how I'm setting up my client. So we will take it for that. Let's go ahead. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh. Figure out how to differentiate clients. Hey, thanks for hanging out with us, Joseph. And you have a good night. Thanks everyone for hanging out. Like I said, I'm gonna actually peace out here pretty quick. But it's been fun. Come back to this stream. Make sure you follow and come back to the stream. We'll do more Go. I'm going to be working on some slides tomorrow for my Go workshop. So, you know, we got that coming up, and I just hope to see you again. Peace.